How to make a candy skull. First, you're going to grab your string and fold it in half. Then grab a white bead and put one on each side of the string. Then grab a black bead, put the strings together and put them on both strings. Then a white bead, put them on each side of the string. Then a black bead and put them on both strings. And then another white bead on each string. Pull it all the way to the end and it should look like this. So now you just tie the two strings together. Now you're going to grab either one of your strings and put it through a white bead. Then you grab a white bead, put it on your string, and you're going to go to the white bead in front. So one of the middle white beads, and then grab another white bead and put it on your string and go to the end white bead. So it should look like that. So now you're coming out of this bead and you're going to grab your string and put it through the bead under that. We're going to do the same thing we did earlier. We grab a white bead, put it to the white bead in front, aka the middle white bead, grab a white bead, put it through the white bead and the end. Now with that same string, you're going to go to the bead above again. And then now we're also going to go through this bead. Grab a white bead, put it on your string, and go to the bead in front. And it should look like that. Now I'm just going to grab my other string and put it through this bead. And then we also put it through this bead. Now we put one bead on there and put it to the bead in front. And it looks like a diamond. Now with that string, you're going to grab a bead, put it on the string, and go through the bead we just put on. Like that. And then you're going to grab another bead and put it right here. So like this. Why isn't it going through? Okay, like that. Now we've got our shape, so all I have to do is tie it off. I'm just going to string through a couple beads so that I can get next to the other string. And now that these are here, I just have to put this through here. And I just tie it off once the strings are right next to each other. And now we have ourselves a little skull.